Welcome to Goldstone Finvest. I'm Prabhat Majumdar. I would share today's market update. Today market saw weekly expiry day and Nifty snapped its 3-day gaining streak and closed 1% lower on weak global cues but formed a bullish candle on the daily charts as the closing was higher than opening levels. The index defended the psychological 15,000 mark and closed above the same level. The market broke its 3-day winning streak and fell 1% on the back of weak global cues. At close, Sensex fell 598 points to close at 50,846 points, while Nifty shed 164 points to close at 15,080. Thus, detailed analysis recorded that Nifty opened sharply lower at 15,026 and hit the day's low of 14,980. The index immediately showed recovery up to 15,202 but failed to surpass previous closing levels. Finally, it settled at 15,080, down 164 points. Researchers say that domestic markets along with global peers mirrored the wounded trend of the US market. The surge in US bond yields added to the selling pressure in technology stocks, forcing Wall Street to close lower. Blue chips were more affected by the weak global cues, but mid and small caps retained their positive momentum. Observations were made that the bullish candle with the bigger shadows on daily scale indicated tussle between bulls and bears in the market. Experts expect the consolidation to continue in the coming sessions and feel the sharp fall is unlikely till the index holds 15,000 mark. The Nifty formed a bullish candle with a bigger shadow on daily scale, which indicates a tussle between bulls and bears in the market. Analysts advise that considering highly volatile and uncertain phase which markets are passing through, traders to remain neutral. Nevertheless, positional shorting opportunity shall arise on a close below 15,000 levels, whereas strength shall resume above 15,276 levels. Bulls appear to have been choked by overnight negative global cues as Nifty opened with a sharp cut. However, it was heartening to see Nifty taking support and stabilizing around psychological landmark of 15,000 levels. Our team said that it seems to have bounced after testing the bullish gap zone present between 14,995 to 14,959 levels registered on last Wednesday's session with an intraday low of 14,980. Hence, as long as this support is intact, one can expect Nifty to consolidate in the same zone of 15,000 to 15,276 levels. Additionally, buoyancy in mid and small cap space paved the way for positive advance decline ratio, hinting sentiment inside the broader market is still somewhat positive. India VIX moved up by almost 9% after failing for previous 3 consecutive sessions. Cool down in VIX below 21 to 20 levels is required for bullish grip. Looking on the options front, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000 followed by 14,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was seen at 16,000 followed by 15,500 strike. Call writing was seen at 15,000 strike, while put writing was seen at 15,000, then 14,600 strike. The above mentioned option data indicated that the Nifty could see an immediate trading range of 14,900 to 14,600 strike. Detailed observations on Bank Nifty were that Bank Nifty opened gap down at 35,575 but managed to recover from its multiple support of 35,500. During the day, it witnessed a bounce towards 36,300, but it failed to hold and drifted lower to close at 35,802, down by 565 points. Analysts researched that the index formed a bullish candle on daily scale as the closing was higher than opening levels, but negated its formation of higher lows of the last 3 sessions. Thus, Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 36,000 to witness a bounce towards 36,500 and 37,000, while on the downside support is seen at 35,500, then 35,250 levels. All the sectoral indices ended in red, with Nifty Metal Index falling 2% and Nifty Bank Index losing 1%. Mid and small caps indices outperformed the main indices with gains of 0.4 to 0.8% each. As stated by Goldstone experts, trader should trade extremely cautiously with strict stop losses and should follow support and resistance levels on strict basis. Follow support and resistance levels along with the trading call as published on our Telegram channel. For regular updates, like, share and subscribe our YouTube and Telegram channel. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Also be a part of our Facebook family. Views by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.